about food in the Northeast. So it'll be a lot of fun. All right. So to get started, what kind of foods do you like? Do you like spicy food, vegetarian food, vegan food, seafood?
Uh, maybe seafood,
You like seafood? Yeah, cool. Me too. What kind of seafood do you like?
fish,
You like what kind of fish?
uh, lots of.
Oh, lobster's good. Yeah. I also like crab. What else is there? Salmon. Um, do you know what crab and salmon are?
Yeah.
Uh, what else? Oh, I like shrimp. Do you know what shrimp is?
What is shrimp?
I'll show you. They're like the little pink ones that are circular.
Do you have picture?
Shrimp. I'll show you a picture. Shrimp.
This I don't.
Do you like shrimp?
Uh, that's so good. I don't like this kind of seafood.
Okay. All right, let's go on to the next reading. So when you're ready, you could begin.
America has much more variety of food than people think. Americans don't just eat burgers, fries, and shakes. In fact, the food enjoyed can vary depending on where in America it is. The country can be divided into five broad regions, regions or regions,
Oh, regions. Yes.
regions. Northeast, mid, mid, Midwest, Southwest, and
And west. Yeah. So, do people eat the same food throughout America?
West. They don't eat the same food.
No, they really don't. The food people eat varies depending on where they live in the region. So, region just means like it means a part of the country. So we have the north, which is the higher up, the south, which is lower, then the west, which is like all the way over there, and then the east, which is over here. Okay, let's go on to the next reading. We'll start talking about the northeast food.
Northeast is known for its seafood like lobster grown in New England. It
Hmm.
is a
Yep.
sandwich filled with cooked and chili lobster meat mixed with ma-
Lobster meat.
lobster meat mixed with what?
So it's mayonnaise. Um,
Mayonnaise.
However, in English, you could cut it and just say mayo.
Mayonnaise or butter. New York is known for its classic New York style pizza, hand toasted, glazed, thick and full, flavorful. Is it what flavorful, right?
Which word is it?
The third keyword.
Is it hand tossed crust?
No. The third key vocabulary is a third.
Oh, is it? Wait, could you restart the sentence? Sorry, I lost you.
Or Hand toast crate, thick and
Oh, this word.
yeah,
Fluffy.
fluffy. At the ed- edge, edge,
Yeah, edges. Yep.
and seen at the center, topped with rich mo- mozzarella,
Yeah, mozzarella. So it's
mozzarella, mozzarella,
mozzarella. Yep.
cheese and tomato sauce. It's common to see New Yorkers floating their white, floppy pizzas delicious.
Yep, delicious. Oh wait, it's common to see New Yorkers folding their wait, which one?
A floppy pizza
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, slices.
slices in half and eating it like a sandwich.
Yep. So, how do New Yorkers eat their pizza?
Uh, you it, the is the last sentence. New Yorkers floating their white floppy pizza.
Yep. Yeah, so basically it's like a triangle, the pizza, and then they take the triangle and they kind of like fold it like this in half and they eat the pizza like that. So the vocab word we have is chill. Chilled.
Shit.
So it means like they make it a little cold. So like if it's a little chilly in the air, it's not super freezing and it's a little cold. You see what I mean? So sometimes I can see my breath when it's chilly out. You know, when your breath is hot and you see the air. Um, then the second word we have is classic. So something is just popular for and traditional style for a long time. Um, and then fluffy is just light, soft, and airy.
What is airy?
Airy means it has like the food has like bread.
Yeah.
So bread is really light because it has a lot of like air. Means
Uh,
that the it's dense is the opposite. Dense is like it's very like compact. Airy would be like the food is like more light.
uh,
Do you understand?
yeah.
So I'm trying to think what would be dense. I can't think of anything that's dense right now. Okay, if I think about it, I'll tell you later. Um, but let's go on to the next reading.
Uh, First of all, I can't read.
Oh, it's a state in the United States. So you could say Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania is not just no, known for its beef special lettuce,
Specialty.
lettuce,
Special.
special coat,
So
special coatis,
so say special and then T's at the end.
specialties,
Yeah, nice job.
like the uh, Philly,
Philly, yeah.
Philly cheese stick and the pepper pot, but also its sweet cheese like water ice, soft practices
Pretzels.
and pretzels and soup supply,
It's choufli
chiefly pot.
pie. Yep.
The Philly cheesesteak is Philadelphia
Uh, it's Philadelphia.
Philadelphia icon. thinly sliced steak cooked with onions and peppers, topped with melt, melted cheese, served on a roll.
Served. Served on a roll.
Peking
Yep.
served on a roll. Peking of sticks and Janus sticks are two of the most famous uh,
Phil.
Phil,
uh,
what?
it's Phil. Delphia.
Philadelphia
Philadelphia. Yep.
establishments that serve Philly cheesesteaks.
Okay. Lots of vocab, right? So, other than the bolded ones, which ones don't you know?
What?
So, other than the words in blue, which other
Yeah.
words do you not know?
The Philadelphia.
Yes. Philadelphia is a major city in Pennsylvania. Anything else?
Uh,
Do you know what pretzels are?
no.
Let's show you pretzels. These are pretzels.
This. I see it in Shanghai.
Oh, okay. Um, what other ones?
No.
What is it?
No. It's all right.
Oh, okay. So the words we have is specialty, which is something that the place is particularly known for. And then the other word is icon, which is like a symbol which is widely known. Um, so like for example, an icon of America. Do you know what the Statue of Liberty is?
Uh, no. Actually, no.
I'm sure. I think you do know it. I'll show you. The Statue of Liberty.
I know.
Yep. So that's like it's like an icon, a symbol of America, a symbol of American culture, right? And then the last word we have is establishment. So it's just like a public place that's used for purposes. So establishment is like it could be a bar, restaurant, an office, just any sort of building or business right there. Okay, let's go on to the comprehension.
Americans just eat burgers, fries, and shakes. It false.
False.
New England is known for its non non is known for its
Yep, known.
lobster roll. It's true.
Yep.
Uh, Americans have 5 regions: northwest, northeast, northwest, south, southwest, and west. It's true.
The Northwest isn't exactly a region of America. It's a little informal. Um,
It's Midwest.
the Midwest, yeah, that's better.
The northeast is known for its seafood. It's false.
It's actually true.
True. Uh, what fantasy?
um, so do you know like the thing that you write with? It's called a pencil.
Yeah.
So pencil is the same word, and then and then just add Vania at the end.
Pennsylvania.
Yeah, nice job.
Pennsylvania is known for its beans specialty specialties. It false.
False.
New York is known for its classic New York style pasta. Is pasta same as pizza
That's why it's false.
or false?
Yeah, pasta is it's food. I'll just show you a picture. And then G, what do you think of that one?
The Philly cheesesteak is uh the the
Think about the thing you write with, and then add. Oh, this is a different one.
Philadelphia.
Yeah, Philadelphia
Philadelphia.
icon.
Icon. It's true.
True, yeah. So New York is known not for its pasta, which would be this, but for its pizza.
Oh, pasta. It's a kind of noodles.
Yeah, pretty much. This is pasta too.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go on to the next comprehension.
He is a musical, uh, musical icon.
Icon, yeah. He's like a musical symbol. Yep.
I took the uh, Charlie
It's actually gonna be chilled.
chill. What is the name?
Chilled means it's like cold.
Uh, uh,
Which is
what? Specialty,
this means like her place.
her place.
Yeah.
Uh, truth.
Her like her building.
Is the establishment.
Yeah, establishment. Nice job.
Uh, the children played with the region of the park
Um
at the
at in the region actually. Yeah.
in in that region of the park.
Yeah.
Their pasta uh, their pasta class is very popular.
Um
Uh, uh,
the it should be specialty. Classic would work if it was like their classic pasta is very popular. But this is specialty. So specialty is like this place has this establishment is really good at making pasta. So it's their specialty. It's their um most most popular dish.
how were the pancakes?
Yep.
They were it,
Oh, are you trying to say that word?
uh,
Warm.
they were warm and food. Fluffy.
Yeah, fluffy.
Fluffy.
I'm gonna show you what fluffy is. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, so this picture is a cake, and this is not fluff. This is not fluffy. This is the opposite of fluffy. It's dense. You see what I mean?
Okay.
There's no air incorporated in it.
Oh yeah.
So now look at this one. This one has a lot more air in it. It's fluffier.
Oh, I know.
Yeah, so that's what fluffy means. It just refers to how much air is in it. And now for discussion. So, is it important to have different kinds of foods and why?
I think it's important because if just one kind of food is too simple to eat every day.
Yeah, it's definitely important to have a lot of foods. I think having a lot of foods has it gives you a lot of variety. Keeps you from eating unhealthy things. So, in China, do different parts of China specialize in different types of foods?
Yeah,
Um,
especially uh, what is specially mean?
specialty means specialty means that like so you go to New York. New York is known for their pizza. Pizza is their specialty. So you go to China, maybe noodles are their specialty. Now if you go to Shanghai, maybe dumplings are their specialty.
Oh,
You see what I mean? So it's like the famous food of the place. It doesn't necessarily have to be food though. It could be like anything. So, do certain parts of your country specialize in different types of food? So maybe in the north they have noodles, and then in the rice, and then they have rice in the south.
yeah, it have lots kind of family type food.
Yeah. Have you ever had American food?
Yes,
Oh, what have you had?
uh, American food is pizza.
Pizza? Yeah, pizza's good. Have you ever had like pasta? Like, what other foods have you had that was American? Have you had a burger?
Yes, burger, fries.
Fries, yeah. And now for four. What kind of foods do you like, and what kind of foods do you dislike?
Uh, I like maybe all kinds of food. Ex- besides the in Guangzhou, they eat this insect. I don't like this.
They eat insects?
Yeah,
Oh, oof. I wouldn't eat that. Um, and then what kind of foods do you like?
uh, maybe some steaks, stacks,
Steak
steaks, and meat.
and meat? Yeah. I like pizza. Pizza's good. Okay. That wraps up our lesson. I hope it was fun. I'm gonna send you the survey and then I'll see you next time, alright?
Okay,
Bye.
bye bye.
Oh, this one was long.